Howdy, Treadheads, and welcome to another All for Michigan On the Trail review. Brought to you by Made in Michigan Legend Trailers. Buy it for looks, keep it for life. And by Burt Lake Marina, serving northern Michigan with award-winning service since 1969. Well, Gunther and I haven't been on the trail lately. July had been very warm and more suited for boating rather than riding. Now temps have dropped down to normal or a little below, so it's time to do a little off-roading. Other than the main trails around Indian River, there are countless two-tracks and back roads open to explore, so today that's what we decided to do. We started randomly following some of the less traveled roads. Well, groomed trails are nice, but Gunther and I like putting around the unmaintained two tracks and back roads. There's some nice hills, some mud holes, and some challenging tight sections to navigate. You also tend to see more wildlife and wildflowers along the way. After a couple hours of exploring, we took a break to stretch, snack, and take in the views before heading back. Well, of course, we had to stop by Weber Lake on the way back, or Gunther would whine all the way. You could spend all day exploring the area's back roads and two tracks, and still not nearly see all there is. Looks like we have cooler weather for the weekend and a damp Saturday, so conditions should be good for exploring. Till next time, have fun, be safe. I'll see you on the trail.